Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. First off, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlook as he is currently, SPC Convective Outlook is currently volunteering at band camp and will be unable to do the Day 2 outlook. So, I am filling in for him for Day 2. So anyway, we have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses most of North Dakota and a tiny bit of west central Minnesota. Today's and tomorrow's enhanced include Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, West Fargo, North Dakota, and Mandan, North Dakota. We have a slight tomorrow that encompasses central and eastern Montana, parts of North Dakota, northern South Dakota, and west central and northwestern Minnesota. Okay? Cities and tomorrow's slight include Billings, Montana, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, and Watertown, South Dakota. And there's a marginal tomorrow that encompasses a little bit of Idaho, much of Montana, much of South Dakota, parts of northwestern Nebraska, most of Minnesota, northern and eastern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, a little bit of the peninsula of Michigan, and much of Illinois. Northern half of Illinois, anyway. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Madison, Wisconsin. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses much of North Dakota. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Bismarck, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Jamestown, North Dakota, and Valley City, North Dakota. And there's a 2% tornado risk area tomorrow encompassing it's basically surrounding the 5%. The 2% is surrounding the 5% in North Dakota. The 2% also encompasses northern South Dakota and west central Minnesota. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, and Aberdeen, South Dakota. Going to tomorrow's wind threat, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing much of North Dakota and a tiny bit of west central Minnesota. The 30% wind risk area tomorrow includes Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, West Fargo, North Dakota, and Mandan, North Dakota. Alright, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing central and east central Montana, most of North Dakota, northern South Dakota, and western and northwestern Minnesota. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Billings, Montana, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, and Watertown, South Dakota. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher from thunderstorms tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, West Fargo, North Dakota, and Mandan, North Dakota. Okay? Again, the black dash is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher tomorrow from thunderstorms. And there is a 5% wind risk area tomorrow covering southeastern, central, and northeastern Montana, far northwestern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, north central Nebraska, most of Minnesota, northern and eastern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, central and northern Illinois, I should say, and a little bit of the peninsula of Michigan. Cities in the 5% wind risk, Shaking the 5% wind risk area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Madison, Wisconsin. And now to tomorrow's hail threat. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, encompassing parts of west central North Dakota. The 30% hail risk area tomorrow includes Bismarck, North Dakota, and Mandan, North Dakota. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering central, east central, and northeastern Montana, much of North Dakota, north central, South Dakota. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Billings, Montana, Minot, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Dickinson, North Dakota, and Jamestown, North Dakota. Okay? Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Shading the black dashed area tomorrow include Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Dickinson, North Dakota, and Williston, North Dakota. And again, the black dash is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% hail risk tomorrow, one covering a little bit of Idaho, much of Montana, eastern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, north central Nebraska, and western and northwestern Minnesota. And another 5% hail risk tomorrow covers east central Iowa, northwestern Illinois, much of Wisconsin, and a little bit of the UP of Michigan. The 5% hail risk areas tomorrow include Madison, Wisconsin, Rockford, Illinois, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Davenport, Iowa, and Fargo, North Dakota. In summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are expected from mid-afternoon into the night on Thursday. The most likely corridor is centered on North Dakota, where a few tornadoes, very large hail, and significant severe gusts are possible. So, that's your Day 2 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather. And finally, before you go to bed tomorrow night, have a plan to be woken up for severe weather during tomorrow night, whether it be your TV, phone, or radio, and if possible, sleep in your safe room. Sleep in your safe room tomorrow night, to avoid having to move during the night tomorrow night. So stay safe tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again tomorrow morning for severe weather. And later today or this evening, I will have my Day 2 fire weather outlook. Take care.